This is the Arcade VST plugin. Guys, it's interesting. Let's check some of the tones, and right after this you're gonna decide whether to go for arcade or not. All right, without wasting much of your time, let's start right after the intro. If you are Afrobeat producer, I'm a piano beat producer, then Arcade will be the best VST plugin when it comes to vocals. Vocals chops, samplings. Alright, this is crazy. Let's check some of the tones. Click on this. Crazy. And with Arcade you can just click here and choose the key that you are making your beat in. You can also play with this knobs here, the room size, then the decay. This crazy. Let's check next, distant voices. Listen to these distant voices too. This crazy. Move on to the next. Another distant voices. Move on to the next, rainy days. Instant melody. Guys, Arcade is dope. Let's move on to next, vintage nostalgia. Crazy. Let's listen to this.
Good to me. You're so good.
So this is good for vocal chops if you are making Afrobeat or piano, whatever that you need to make that beat, you can get them from Arcade. Miracle, original.
know? Did you know? Did you know?
This crazy. Hey, this drum machinery. Crazy, 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 crazy. Alright guys, let's click here. We cannot walk through everything, so we're gonna skip some. Let's listen to this acoustic textures. Crazy, 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 crazy. Give the video a like if it helps you. Now you are falling in love with arcade. Let's check this. This crazy. So guys, let's check this Silver Moon Plaza. Guys, arcade is super dope. Now, are you going for arcade or not? You can do a lot of things with arcade. Alright, maybe you don't have money to invest into expensive plugins like arcade, then watch the next video to know the best stock plugins that you can use to make Afrobeat and piano. Think of any genre. Until then, see you in the next video. But don't forget, give this video a like, subscribe, join the community. Let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.